Hey guys, I hope you're not as good as I am. Welcome to this virtual reality tour. Right now we are in this small but nice dining room. We have two other rooms, so let's explore this one first. Oh, we have been teleported to the kitchen. So we can see what's going on here, the cupboards, and all the nice things we can offer in this department. Let's go back to the dining room. Okay, so now we can explore the last room. Okay, this is the living room. We see sofas, TV, fans. I think that's a small fridge. This is the end of our small virtual reality tour. Thanks for watching. Link in the description so you can test the app in Android. And see you in the virtual world.